Hello, my name is Jerry. I'm a mortgage agent with Invis. You can find me at whyrentottawa.com. And today we are here with Tom.
I'm Tomasz Witek. I'm with Your Choice Realty Brokerage. And you can find more info about me at justsellinghomes.ca.
And we have our guest today, and it is
Lisa the Mover with Parkview Moving.
All right.
we are here to help you make your moving, purchasing, experience, and selling all comfortable for you.
The transition, the actual process of moving is a discussion for our guest here. And basically we wanted to talk about the process of once Lisa the mover is contacted by a client, what's involved?
Well, I've always said that it's never too soon to get the estimator in. Ideally, you do not have to have the home sold. As soon as you list, that is the perfect time to have me in when everything is normal and the way it should be before you declutter.
And you do it before your stage, before you
the
pack
staging,
anything.
before you pack anything.
So really they should contact you before they list, because when you actually list, the home should be perfect.
That's true.
Yes.
So even if you're just thinking about listing your home and you want to start budgeting and finding out what's involved in the upcoming move, even though we might be the final step, give us a call.
And what time do you normally move? If somebody's moving on the same day, what do we do anything differently?
If the closing's on the same
day? Buying and selling on the same day.
That's a challenge,
not
right?
ideal. It does happen. We recognize that. We're very flexible at Parkview Moving, so what we'll do is arrange for a later start. So we might start at noon, and by the time the truck is loaded and we've driven to the new home, you should have the key, and we begin to unload.
So I realize that depending on the size of the home, the time allotted will be different. But on average, how many hours can people expect for the move to take place from one house to another? Obviously there's a transit and all that. But
I would say that every move is different, which is why we really push to have an in-home estimate, and then this way we can tell you exactly how many hours we think it's going to take, and it's broken down even with lunch breaks.
Excellent.
There's no
per hour per hour move anymore, right? That's not.
Well, we charge by the hour, but it's really a bottom line price, and it's very accurate. So don't mess around. Know exactly what you're in for.
And what about elevators? Should a client reserve an elevator if there is a big move?
Definitely. You're responsible for booking the elevators, and sometimes you can't. There might only be one elevator, so we try to work with you to make this as easy as possible.
And do you help the clients pack boxes, or do you just move the boxes?
We're a full service company, so we do all the packing, unpacking, help with the setup, and we do have senior pricing.
Can the client, for example, pack their own boxes and you move it? That would be a different service, or how would that work?
Well, the moving portion would be the same. I welcome anybody can do their own packing. It's no issue, but just if they need a little bit of extra help,
right,
we can do a full
we
pack.
have kids.
Yeah,
it's
whatever
harder.
packing you need, we can do it.
Anything that our viewers should know about, or anything that could make it a smoother move?
How maybe I should ask, how should they prepare, because you're going to be packing this, right? So how should they prepare their stuff, their belongings, in order for you to efficiently pack?
I would say you would want to declutter and purge as much as you can. Don't pack things you're not going to need or don't want, and pay to have it moved. That is the biggest thing. Be as organized as you can. More often than not, when we are on site and ready to go, people are still packing.
Yes.
Everything. It happens way too often. People underestimate how many boxes you're gonna need. I do a box count, so I can tell you exactly what you need to order as far as tape, paper, box sizes go. I mean, there's tools that we can give you that.
And you supply the boxes and the tape and everything else? You supply everything?
We don't supply the packing material anymore. We teamed up with movingboxes.ca, so you can get all your material. I can help you with the orders.
It's a good company to get your boxes.
That's right. Movingboxes.ca.
Thank you today for helping us out with the information.
My pleasure.
I know that a lot of clients have a lot of problems with packing and organizing with your information. That will really help everybody.
Yes.
Thanks for being
you.
part of our episode.
My pleasure. Thank you.
You very much. And again, this is Tom Witek from JustSellingHomes.ca.
And
Lisa the Mover from ParkviewMoving.com.
And Jerry from WhyRentinottawa.com. Thank you.
Thank you.